Hi guys, it's another YouTube video, and today we will be installing a wig. We will be going step by step on how I install my wigs. Don't mind the mess over there, ish. Like everything is hectic, guys, ish. Like get it up and down. I got back home today earlier around 4 or 5. I got back from Siabusa and stuff, so now I'm installing another wig because tomorrow I am going to Limpopo. Yeah, so it's an earring, guys. I just gonna but yeah, I will be answering a few questions that were asked on my channel, and then while installing this wig and stuff. So yeah, that's about it.
I don't play with that, oh she act childish. I can turn on her for that Miley. Got her where I want me, look like Miley. Soon as I feel like it is. I don't play with that, oh she act childish. I can turn on her for that Miley.
So this is the wig that we will be installing today. It is a synthetic wig. Yeah, I just took out that one. See that one? Yeah, took it out not so long ago, and install any food because can only free will and stuff. So yeah, this is the hair. We're gonna thin it out, don't worry, because it's too thick for me and it tangles a lot. Synthetic tangles a lot. So right now I am going to be tinting the lace first. That is what I do. So I have almost everything in here. First things first, we're gonna tint the lace, and I use this lace tint spray. You guys see that? Yeah, dark brown. And then we're just gonna tint the lace. We're just gonna spray it on the lace until I just like that. Just like that. Just I think just gonna let it dry because it's wet now and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, I just got back and this tint kind of like ruined the hair because now it's like kind of brown and stuff, but that's fine. So you will meet a shame act fine. So the second step is this. I use this wax stick. There's hair. It's taking. But yeah, the next thing is I'll use this wax stick. Excuse me. Like over here, and then I'll hot comb it so that it gets straight. I'm gonna do that and come back. So I just did that right now, and this is how it's supposed to look so that you can like install it properly. See, it's straight to the back. Yeah, like you are dialing a slick back kind of thing. It has to look like this. You just put some wax stick and then you just hot comb it. That's all. So I'm gonna put this on my head and then I'll come back. So like you're gonna do 2 layers of this. So yeah, back to the questions. The first question is, how do you lay your edges? I will show you. Yeah, I will show you how I lay my edges. And I think ukhuluma like normal edges. Because if normal edges, if normal edges, then I use like this other king gel in black and I forgot the name, and then on top of it I use that styling gel, and then when I'm done I just go over with this on top, because this like it lasted the whole day. And then yeah, that's all I do to lay my normal edges. And then where weave, I just use this one only. So yeah, this is what you do. This is like the first layer. And then it's like there's hair everywhere. Una. So you're just gonna let it like, yeah, you're just gonna let it be like this until it's like tacky, and then you do it again. You see, until it's like this. Then when it's like that, you go again. Another layer. Until other people do like 3 layers. I only do like 2. I only like do 2 shame. The other layer on top. Yeah. Then you go again with your fan or whatever until it's tacky. Okay. Also, my days. Also, when I say it's good, you are going to then put you here. So it should be something like that. Sistina. Yeah, no, this comb is what? Just gonna use this comb to like see, like, ooh, I have some left. So yeah, this is how you dye it. And then the next thing is your thingy. But before this, I use stockings. I dye stockings. Okay. Ooh. So you're gonna use this as well. But before that, another layer. This is the last layer. Okay. Because you see, I shall on the side. This and this side, I shall on, but here you can like see it is. So you're gonna use this lastly. But that's fine. It's fine. So now you're gonna put it like that. Okay, and then you're gonna and then uzoyifasa emuva. Okay, so like now that we have that, what we're gonna do now is section this into 2 parts. Like, doesn't have to be straight, trust me, it doesn't have to be straight. Okay, now that you have 2 parts like this, just gonna uzofasa nje ili one side, uzoyenza logo, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so now that this here is up, you're gonna need thinning scissors, these scissors. You're gonna need these scissors and a brush, these scissors and a brush. I need this. So what you're gonna do is take your scissors, do this, not too much, just to this, trust me. Especially here, like you do that a lot. And then after doing this, I'm gonna brush it out. Start from the bottom, going up. You see, we are thinning out the hair. It's gonna be too thick because it goes a lot. Until we don't want it to be too thick. Until I'm gonna do that again. Yes, now it looks nah, but that was not enough. Then you brush. This is the hair. You see? This is yeah, this is how much hair we took out. It's not too much. Now it's not. So I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm done. I did both sides and stuff, and this is how much hair I took out. Okay, so yeah, so now it's Shirela, you understand, this is what we want. And Mokama, so you should have something like this. Okay. If it tangles, do it again until it's good. Nee, but don't do it like mostly on top, like starting from here going down on the line, because mostly it tangles, yeah, like here, not here. So yeah, another question, what's your favorite music, artist, movie, color, restaurant, sibling? Favorite music, I don't have a favorite artist. Favorite movie, I have a bunch, like a lot, and then I'll name them though, don't worry. And then color, my favorite color is black, dark gray, but mostly black, yeah. And favorite restaurant, so far cappuccinos. Sibling, I don't have a favorite sibling. My best Bumba, ke Thapelo. Yeah, my brother Thapelo. And then who taught you to braid? I'd say my mom taught me how to braid, and I also taught myself. Yeah, my mom knows how to braid, but like, yeah, and then I also taught myself at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense or what, but yeah, I feel like this tint ruined my hair. Like, look. Hey, I don't know. It did, but and I said so. This was so good when I washed the hair, and I can't wash it now because, bruh, your money. But it's fine. So like, who's that one blogger who inspired you to start vlogs? Kingisi Amtanda Tami Peachy Sprinkles. Yeah, her. Yeah, I love her vlogs down. Okay, yeah, that is who inspired me to vlog and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna put this hair into a ponytail again so that we can take out this and start cutting the lace. Okay, it's like I took out the melting band first, and then now yeah, no, it's kind of hard installing this because yeah, and stuff. So yeah, and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. And I'm so scared of this color, but it's not bad, honestly. Like, it's not bad. So now I'm gonna just do this. Yeah, press that shit to the back and stuff. And then I look for scissors. You're gonna just section this. Yeah, this is how I section the lace. And then after that, gonna need a comb. Here's all that. I'm back. So this part of your comb, you're gonna take it and dala this, because this is glue. So you're actually like kind of like mapping out where you're gonna cut your lace. You don't want to cut it like exactly here, so that it can be like easier for you to like reinstall. Exactly. So you dala this. So that you know where to end when cutting your lace. So this is where I will end when cutting my lace. You also don't want too much lace because it can be hard to melt. So you're just gonna dala there. Dala it like that. That's perfect. Then you're gonna go again with your scissors and then like where you ended. Okay, this is fine. Okay, and then you can either use your scissors or you can use this so excuse me, this, excuse me. So you can either like it like this, but it's kind of risky. It is kind of risky, so I don't recommend this. I don't recommend this at all. It's either you do it like that, but you're gonna need a scissor again to like kind of like fix it. But if you're using a scissor, you're gonna do this. Yeah, and then you're gonna just like fix it again. But you don't need to do a lot when dealing with a scissor. That's why I don't kind of like recommend this. And this also uyayenza sona, and then lace and stuff, and we don't want that. So yeah, you see, sifuna ibe thin-ish, so you have to like fix this. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back, but I'm not done. So I want to answer that question quick. So this is how your lace should be. Yeah. So my favorite movies, because I have a bunch of them, and oh my gosh, can't see. The first one would be, is it I kind of forgot the name. I'm not good with names, shame, when coming to like movies and stuff. Beauty in Black, okay, yeah, and what else? Blood and Water. Get the series too, but like, yeah, I love them. Xian. I like South African movies, honestly, mostly. The Killer, The Killer, Nemesis. Is it Nemesis? Yeah, whatever that is. But yeah, also like it. It's a series also. Very good. Oh, Bats. This one. This one is my favorite movie of all time. Like, that movie was good. So I'd say my top favorite is Bats on Netflix. The rest, they're also my favorite also. They're also my favorite also. Singisi Child. But yeah, they're also my favorite and stuff and stuff. So back to the questions again. Actually I came back to show you guys how I cut my ear tabs. Yeah, this part over here. I wanted to cut it with you guys so that you guys can know. Ukuthi nikasa kanjani. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I used to be scared at first. Now I'm going, oh my gosh, I'm gonna ruin the hair and stuff. No, don't be scared. So gonna just cut it la in where the corner sigcina corner, right? And then you're gonna just dala this just beneath the hair. Don't be scared. And then you just go straight and then you cave until if you can't do this, I guess you have to recut or whatever. So yeah, that is how you cut your ear tabs or ear tabs, I don't know, something like that. And then if you feel like the lace is too much, don't be scared to cut it. Okay, so yeah, just like that. And then I know with Ipagame again over here, we're gonna fix that. So you have to have something like this. And then this side also, you're gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back. So I am back. So this is like the glue, the leftover glue. That is fine. We're gonna fix that. So this is how our lace is looking right now. So other girlies like do 3 layers and then they put another one. So they basically do 4. I do 3. The 2 that I did at first, and then this one is my 3rd layer. Until but yeah, this works for me. So a win is a win. So you're just gonna like it's already disappearing. Layer 1, like it's already disappearing. That's why you don't share too much lace. Don't share too much lace. Trust me. Don't share too much lace. Don't share too little. That size is perfect. Trust and believe. So you're gonna go with this again. Okay. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back. So I just laid the hair. And I put like melting band and stuff. So now I'm gonna wait for like 20 minutes and then I will come back. Yeah, I'll wait for 20 minutes and then I'm coming back. Okay, I'm back and I lied. I didn't dala this for 20 minutes. Thing is, I just realized, Gucci, you don't really have to put it like for 20 minutes again. Like 10 minutes is enough. Yeah, 10 minutes is enough. And yeah, because like I'm a dala it again when I'm done doing my edges, so that's why, excuse me, so that's why I'm like taking it out. I'm a dala it again for 20 minutes, because right now I just did like 10. Yeah, so there wasn't like much questions. So I use eyeshadow. Don't judge me. Let's go and judge. So this is like the eyeshadow I use. I use this one over here. Until I use that one. So you're just gonna do this. Ooh. I'm drawing it on the hair. But yeah. And then you're gonna one hello. Exactly. So you're just gonna do that everywhere. So this is how it looks. Yeah. Don't worry. It's gonna fade. And then what you need is a melting spray and a brush. So and then your brush. You do this. You like, it's not bad. It's not that bad anymore. So yeah, you just do that with your melting spray. So you see this side and this side. See the difference? Exactly. So I do this side and then I'll come back. So yeah, this is it. And then now we're gonna take out some hair to do edges. Not too much. You see, like right before it goes back a little bit, that's where you end. So this is, you can also like try and do this to see if you like your edges. And get, so I'm gonna dala this and this. You don't need too much over here. This is fine. So this is how you pat your edges. So I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll come back. Cause so this is So like this is what we have. You're gonna need scissors. So the trick here is ukata so. You don't just cut. Ukata so. You hold your hair straight. Cut it so. Not too long, not too short. Anger. Exactly. So yeah, this is perfect. So you're gonna you see aglingani ku. Yeah. Then this one also you cut her. So this one you can be like a little bit long. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. I see what I said. So this is what you should be looking like or having. So you do the other side and then come back. So now that you look like this, you can either curl it like this or just don't. Sometimes I curl it, sometimes I don't. I also don't know, but I use this styling gel. You take that shit, you put it there. Okay. So you just put it here in. Have your edge brush. Oh, it says then it starts. This finger works, so you can't just. It doesn't work like that. You need. So you're gonna use like the comb side and you're gonna select it until you like it. Okay. This part here is important, so do it as many times as you can until you finally get it and get until you feel like this is good enough for your liking. I feel like I still need to do more, so yeah. Don't be afraid. Okay, this is good. And then you're gonna so it can be straight. So you're gonna do it until okay. So I'm gonna do the other side. You just do that, guys. Like edges get the edge. Edges, you just do them like that until you finally get it. So I do my edges and then I'll come back. I also don't have storage, that's why I'm cutting parts. But I'm not jumping any steps. I'm showing you guys everything. It's just that I can't like show you into details like that. But yeah, this is how I do my edges. And then you're gonna try that are like touch-ups like that. Yeah. Okay, not that I'm like looking down at the edges. You're gonna need some touch-up, don't worry. So you're gonna use your melting spray again, and then you're gonna use this. This time you're gonna for 20 minutes and then you're gonna. Okay, so like I just opened the line. I know like it's not that straight, but yeah. We work with what we have. And then you're just gonna like stick. So like yeah, this is like a final product. I don't wanna do too much. I don't have storage. But yeah, this is how I install my wigs and stuff. So this is the hair and stuff. Not perfect, but yeah, this is just have to like clean out the glue and that's it. And then for you to like not have flyaways, I just and then you're gonna comb and then yeah, like these here, this stands out, this here, this whatever. Yeah, so that is it for me, guys. This is the hair. It looks good, looks stunning and stuff. I am styling the hair tomorrow. I won't go like this. I don't like it like this. I don't like a middle part. So I will style the hair tomorrow and stuff. And then I'll show you guys the final product when styled and stuff. But this is how we're looking right now. Yeah. Bye all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Comment down anything you want, lash tutorial, anything. I will gladly do it. So yeah, this is it for me, guys. I love you loads. Hope you enjoyed the video.